Hello and welcome to Snomax How To. Today we're going to be showing you how to calibrate your Snomax system. The first step is to fill the tank with water. We recommend about half of the tank to get the accurate calibration in the calibration tube. As you can see here, we're filling it up to about 150 liters. Turn that off. Then what we'll do is to turn the system on with the green forward arrow on the VFD. Then we'll open the bypass valve to make sure all the air is out of the system. You may see some air bubbles flowing up to the tube, back into the tank. Once you get a solid flow of water, you can close the valve. Next, we're going to take a look at your mix chart that was provided by your Snomax rep. For this specific customer, their max flow is 800 gallons a minute with a total of a 1-to-1 mixture, so we're going to calibrate for 800 milliliters a minute. Next, check your PSI gauge to make sure you're pumping under normal operating pressure. You can watch the PSI valve. Make sure it's right where it would be when you're normally running. We are then going to isolate the calibration tube by turning the valve so it's only pumping from the cal tube. You'll see the water start dropping in the tube after you turn the valve. Next, grab your cell phone or stopwatch and turn the valve while pushing start on your timer. You will be counting how many milliliters it is pumping in 1 minute. The yellow numbers on the cal tube are the milliliters, so watch those. You want it to drop 800 milliliters in 1 minute to match the 800 GPM flow rate. As you can see here, it's dropping fairly quickly. So what we're going to do is stop it, bring it back to the top, and move over to the Vacon VFD. To get into the setup window, you need to hold shift and push the program button. Then use the arrows to move up and down. We're looking for parameter 302, which is max frequency. Since we're pumping too fast, we need to lower the max frequency hertz. We were started at 50. I normally run it down to about half, so we'll go down to right around 25. Then you're going to press enter to store the settings. We will then go back and do the calibration over again. So you're going to turn the valve and push the start button. And as you can see, it's moving a lot slower this time. We're almost down to 800 milliliters. We're going to press stop here in a second. And we are very, very close. So So you're going to repeat this process until you match the flow rate